Hello, brilliant students, and welcome to Lesson 8 of the intensive mini course in Business English for Beginners. Today, we will learn how to ask for and give directions, which is an essential skill in any business setting. So let's start with the dialogue between Emma and Adam. So Emma is on the phone with a client, Adam. He's visiting her company for the first time and, of course, he needs directions to Emma's office.
Hi, Emma. I'm at the main entrance of your building. Can you help me find your office?
Sure. From the main entrance, go straight until you reach the elevators. Take the elevator to the 5th floor.
Okay, I'm on the 5th floor. Where should I go next?
When you exit the elevator, turn left and walk past the conference room. My office is the second door on the right.
Got it. What does your office look like?
It's a modern, open-plan office. You'll see some shared desks and lots of natural light. There are also plants and modern furniture, like a large wooden desk and ergonomic chairs. You can't miss it.
That sounds nice. I'm on my way. Thanks, Emma.
Now that we've heard the dialogue, let's focus on the grammar used in giving directions. First, we have the imperative. It is used to give commands, instructions, or directions. It often starts with the base form of the verb. Example, go straight, turn left, take the elevator. Now let's look at the prepositions of time. They indicate when something happens. At is used for exact times, holidays, and specific moments. At 3 p.m., at night, at the weekend. On is used for days and dates. On Monday, on January the 1st. In is used for months, years, centuries, and long periods. In February, in 2024, in the morning. Now let's go over some vocabulary that can help you describe your office and objects within it. Repeat after me. Modern, open plan, traditional, shared, office objects, furniture, desk, chair, bookshelf, stationery, pen, notebook, stapler, paperclip, computer equipment, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, office equipment, photocopier, telephone, whiteboard, projector. Common phrases from the dialogue. Go straight. Turn left. Walk past. Take the elevator. You can't miss it. Now it's time to practice on your own. Imagine a visitor is coming to your office. Practice giving directions from the entrance of your building to your office. Include details about your office layout and the objects in it. Example, from the main entrance, go straight until you reach the reception desk. Then take the elevator to the 3rd floor. When you exit the elevator, turn right and walk past the meeting rooms. My office is the last door on the left. It's a traditional office with a large wooden desk and a bookshelf full of documents. There's also a printer and a whiteboard. That is the end of our last class and our Business English course. Congratulations! You did great and now you're ready to talk business with your colleagues and clients. If you want to further improve your speaking skills and grow your business vocabulary, you can book one-on-one lessons where you'll go deeper into the key business concepts and focus on leveling up your knowledge. Good luck and see you on my channel.